I've identified 16 work-from-home opportunities that offer monthly earnings ranging from $4,500 to $7,500, with one role offering an annual income of up to $145,000 to $200,000. Remarkably, most of these positions do not necessitate a college degree or prior experience. The first position on the list is that of a VoIP analyst, also known as a Voice over IP analyst. These professionals play a crucial role in ensuring clear communication in the digital realm by managing and optimizing internet-based communication systems. This involves enabling voice and multimedia transmission over IP networks. VoIP analysts are in high demand among telecommunications firms, IT service providers, multinational corporations, and government agencies. They command annual salaries ranging from $69,000 to $118,000. Given the increasing number of internet users, which reached 5.1 billion in 2023, the demand for VoIP analysts is expected to remain robust. You can access various VoIP-related training materials online, such as courses on platforms like Udemy or Coursera, to enhance your skills in this area. Given the favorable prospects and relatively easy entry, I rate this opportunity a 9 out of 10. Moving on to the second opportunity, we have the role of a dealer registration coordinator. These professionals ensure that deals are executed smoothly and in compliance with company policies and legal standards. They typically work in industries such as automotive, real estate, finance, and manufacturing. Dealer registration coordinators earn annual salaries ranging from $44,000 to $67,000. With numerous opportunities for remote work, this role offers a pathway to success without requiring a college degree. Therefore, I rate it as an 8 out of 10 in terms of opportunity. Next on the list is the role of a recovery partner, where healthcare support meets the comfort of your own home. Recovery partners guide patients on their journey to wellness by providing remote coaching, education, and ongoing care management. These professionals typically work for healthcare organizations and social service agencies, earning annual salaries ranging from $54,000 to $93,000. While some training may be required, many companies offer on-the-job training to kickstart your career as a recovery partner. This role offers a rewarding opportunity to make a positive impact on patients' lives without requiring a specific degree or prior experience. Therefore, I rate it an 8 out of 10 in terms of opportunity. Next up is a remote sales consultant, a role that underscores the immense value of sales skills. I've emphasized the significance of sales numerous times on this channel, as I believe it's an essential experience for everyone. Today, I'll spotlight a specific type of sales position: remote solar consultant. In this role, you'll engage leads remotely, educate them about the benefits of solar energy, utilize technology for presentations, and guide them through decision-making and paperwork. Remarkably, this position made it to CNBC's list of the 10 best jobs in the U.S., ranking at number 10. It experienced a staggering 131% growth over a 3-year period. While many of these roles may prefer an associate's or bachelor's degree, some are open to candidates with a high school diploma, prioritizing sales skills over formal education. Accounts are abundant of individuals earning $15,000 to $30,000 per month, with some asserting figures surpassing $400,000 monthly. According to Glassdoor, sales consultants earn an annual salary range of $145,000 to $263,000. This profession not only offers substantial earnings, but also advocates for renewable energy, adding to its fulfillment. While entry may pose a slightly greater challenge compared to other sales positions, I still rate it a 9.5 out of 10 in terms of opportunity. Moving on, we have distribution specialists, the maestros of workflow management who ensure seamless operations from their homes. handling customer service and administrative tasks, managing requests, and ensuring accuracy and compliance in distribution systems are among their responsibilities. They're typically hired by manufacturing companies, distribution centers, logistics firms, and retail corporations to facilitate the movement of goods. Unlike some roles, distribution specialists don't necessarily require a college degree or specific prior experience. Their yearly incomes range from $41,000 to $559,000. Considering the crucial role of distribution and logistics, particularly highlighted during supply chain interruptions, this sector presents enduring demand. Although it may entail some training or certification, entry is relatively straightforward. Consequently, I assess it as a 7.5 out of 10 in terms of opportunity. Next up is a medical records specialist, a role I've often highlighted on this channel as part of the plethora of niche medical-related careers that offer decent pay and stability. In this position, you'll handle medical requests, oversee the release of medical records, and ensure compliance with HIPAA regulations, acting as a guardian of healthcare-related information. With annual salaries ranging from $37,000 to $53,000, this role typically requires some training, which may be provided by the employer. While some organizations prefer a college degree, it's often flexible regarding the field of study or may not require one at all. Pursuing certifications like a CPC, Certified Professional Coder, or a CCS, Certified Coding Specialist, could enhance job prospects, although many employers offer training themselves. Given its stability and decent compensation, I rate this role an 8 out of 10 in terms of opportunity. Next on the list is a retention specialist, responsible for devising customer retention strategies across various industries, such as telecommunications, finance, and subscription-based services. This role, akin to a relationship counselor for businesses and clients, focuses on enhancing customer satisfaction and reducing turnover rates. With annual salaries ranging from $53,000 to $81,000, this career path doesn't typically require a formal degree. While some job listings may mention a preference for a college degree, in reality, many employers prioritize relevant skills and experience. Remote or work-from-home opportunities are common, making it accessible to a wide range of candidates. I rate this role a 9.5 out of 10 in terms of opportunity. Next up is a mortgage loan originator, a role focused on remotely assisting clients with mortgage applications, negotiating rates, and guiding them through the home buying process. Employed by financial institutions and mortgage companies, these professionals act as financial matchmakers, pairing individuals with the ideal mortgage options tailored to their needs. Offering a blend of finance, customer service, and sales, this role typically requires some real estate experience, but not necessarily a college degree. Resources like the NMLS website and the SAFE MLO exam can help you obtain the necessary licensing, with annual salaries ranging from $12,000 to $177,000. This career path offers substantial earning potential and is relatively accessible, earning an 8.5 out of 10 in terms of opportunity score. Moving on to a claims escalation specialist, responsible for managing and resolving outstanding medical claims, reconciling accounts, and appealing denials, primarily hired by healthcare and insurance companies. This role is crucial for revenue cycle management and can be done remotely. While some previous experience in the insurance industry is helpful, it's not always required, with annual salaries ranging from $44,000 to $69,000. This role requires more experience compared to others on the list, earning a 5 out of 10 in terms of opportunity score. Before we continue, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you love the video so far and found the content interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Now, let's get back to the video. Next is a donor relations administrator, tasked with managing relationships with donors, coordinating fundraising events, and handling administrative tasks for nonprofit organizations, charitable foundations, universities, and hospitals. While familiarity with CRM software and nonprofit work experience are beneficial, a college degree is not always necessary. With annual salaries ranging from $58,000 to $97,000, this role has more requirements than others, but still offers a good opportunity, earning a 7 out of 10 in terms of opportunity score. Data management specialists, on the other hand, handle data-related tasks such as organizing and safeguarding data. While a college degree or previous experience is not always required, proficiency in tools like Python or R can be beneficial. With annual salaries ranging from $51,000 to $79,000, this role offers a good opportunity, earning an 8.5 out of 10 in terms of opportunity score. Then, we have Wealth Management Associates, guiding high net worth individuals through their financial journey, supporting wealth managers with research, investment plans, and client relationship management. Typically hired by financial advisory firms, investment banks, wealth management firms, and private banks, this role combines finance skills with client service skills. With annual salaries ranging from $78,000 to $129,000, this role offers high earning potential without necessarily requiring a college degree or previous experience, earning an 8.5 out of 10 in terms of opportunity score. Next up is an engagement professional, acting as the communication mastermind that links businesses with opportunities through outbound calls to executives. This role, akin to a detective in the corporate world, doesn't necessarily require a college degree, but offers a chance to interact with top business leaders, earning about $70,000 to $122,000 annually. While some previous experience may be preferred, various online courses can provide the necessary skills, making it a solid 9 out of 10 in terms of opportunity score. Moving on to a subrogation specialist, responsible for identifying and recovering overpaid claims for third parties, primarily working for insurance companies and legal firms. This role, akin to a treasure hunter in the insurance sea, helps reduce financial losses and ensure fair insurance practices. With annual salaries ranging from $45,000 to $69,000, it typically doesn't require a college degree, though previous experience in the insurance industry may be beneficial. Certifications such as the Disaster Recovery Professional Certification, EDRP, could also enhance prospects, earning it an 8.5 out of 10 in terms of opportunity score. Next is a tele-research associate, akin to a digital detective, verifying and updating essential information for market research or data service companies, making around $48,000 to $69,000 annually. This role doesn't typically require a college degree or previous experience, making it relatively easy to get into, earning it a 7.5 out of 10 in terms of opportunity score. Provider. Enrollment specialists handle application procedures in healthcare organizations or insurance companies, ensuring every actor or clinician is ready for healthcare services, making about $41,000 to $57,000 a year. This role typically doesn't require a college degree or previous experience, with training often provided by the company or healthcare organization, earning it a 7.5 out of 10 in terms of opportunity score. If you loved this Make Money online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video.